To the story now of a homeless man who braved the inclement weather under a tree. Kirk Wright has his story.
As the tropical storm drew closer to the island, Mark Collins should have been preparing to seek safer grounds, but instead, he was praying the system would change its course. He lives under a tree at Sigani Beach at Bournemouth Gardens and knew he was completely exposed to the impact of the inclement weather. But Mr. Collins says he had no choice but to bear the brunt of the rain bearing down on him. He says he sat up all night Tuesday while it poured.
Do you have any plans to leave here?
Not right now.
Mr. Collins was booted from his residence at 8 Windward Road because he was unable to pay the monthly rent of $5,000.
I've been here living from the first week of January from 8 Windward Road, Kingston Pool.
He says he can drive trucks, standard or automatic, but explained he is unemployed because he was caught smoking on the job, which was prohibited. He now has regrets.
Would make to talk again with our next company.
Mr. Collins survives mainly by fishing. We saw buckets of fish, all of which were overtaken by flies, but without proper storage, they quickly spoil, leaving him with no choice but to dispose of the fish. He named some items which he says are some of his immediate needs.
Like dry clothes, cornmeal, flour, sugar, rice, tin food, dry food, tough crackers, spring crackers, corned beef, you name it.
He says a pair of size 8 shoes would also help him. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.